Today I'm shooting on a Fuji X100F and an iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Shooting on an FX3 with a 10mm.
Sony A7R5.
iPhone 17 Pro.
Shooting on this absolute unit of a camera, you know, a Canon FX3.
Thanks so much for coming out to the very first ADRO content night. We're so thrilled to have everyone here in this beautiful setting. We have 6 different mini activations, different vehicles. The Supra back there, the M2, the M4 wide body. Can you guys hear me? All right, cool. Open your ears. No, but we got the Civic Type R. We've also got the GR86, the F80, and the G80 over here. So we encourage you guys to just make yourselves comfortable, make yourselves at home. Mi casa is su casa. Okay, so the first 50 that get their hands on the Polaroid, you get 1 shot with it, okay? So make it count. And then we'll start tacking them up on the board over here. You guys have any questions?
Where's the Polaroid camera at?
It is right here. This is the heavy hitter. Dang, I like your style. You got it.
Instagram's by Brandon Rowe. I do shoot primarily on Sony, so FX3, FX6, photos A1.
Hi there, my name is Devin, and my Instagram name is NPC Media. I've been shooting for about 3 years now, 3 years.
What's up guys, my name is Christian. I am shooting on a Canon F1 film camera. I don't normally shoot on this. Lately I've been shooting on a red Komodo. FX3 is great.
I shoot on FX3 mainly, and I like to shoot cars and brand content.
So here I got my Canon R5, I got my DJI RS4 Pro, I got some filters and love shooting video.
Interesting thing with this camera, it's only in Japanese. So it has been a struggle, but besides the struggle, I have been able to capture some good moments.
My experience shooting cars is not really that extensive. I just see a cool car and I shoot it.
Well guys, this event has been an absolute blast. We're about halfway through and everyone is just killing it. We've got guys in elevated positions, getting shots down on the car, all over, making this their absolute best content creator playground. This is the first one. We can't wait for the next one. And of course, we couldn't thank one of our partners out enough, Polar Pro. They supported us with a ton of giveaways to give back to you guys, the community, and did I say commuter community? The creator community.
My handle is Wet Verbals. For the most part, I am shooting tethered on a MacBook Pro. I'm getting about maybe 30 to 40 images. In reality, like, I'm stitching about 6 or 7.
Hi guys, my name is Caleb. I go by Caribs on Instagram and Caleb Sock on YouTube. We're here checking out all of ADRO's really cool body kits, and it's cool to see that they've created a content creator space in this area, because that is something that was definitely lacking.
Every shoot is a new experience to get better at it, and just catching your own style and feel.
We're gonna just put our finger on the one that we like. Little friendly competition here with the Polaroid camera, and we do have some finalists here. So with 3rd place, we have that Honda guy. Really well chosen here. We have low archive with the GR86. For 1st place, we have carsimple.us. Yeah. You do your thing here.
Oh, my man.
There you go. All right, so first and foremost, we couldn't thank one of our partners for this evening, Polar Pro, enough for supporting us with a ton of giveaway items. Of course, this is a lot of the things that you guys use day in and day out to create some fabulous content. I know it is items that we use here. So let me go ahead and give this a good shake. Disqualified. So for the winner, the very first Polar Pro giveaway and the very first ADRO content night is 217-144. Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, well, round of applause, everyone. Thanks so much for coming out tonight. We're not kicking you out just yet. We just want to make sure you're here, but feel free to hang out a little bit more and enjoy the night.
Coming out to these events is great. Like, connecting with the community is awesome. I just love shooting cars.